the Nomadic Coder. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to solve the legal coding problem concatenation of an array. So, given an integer array nums of length n, you want to concatenate in an array ands of length to n, where ands at I is equal to the nums at index I, and ands at I plus n is equal to nums at I, for 0 is less than or equal to I, and I is less than n at the 0th index. Specifically, ands is the concatenation of two num arrays. Return the ands array. So for the input 1 to 1, you return 1 to 1, 1 to 1, which is basically a concatenation of this array here. So to solve this problem, I am going to use the Go programming language, and I am going to use a built-in function, append. So append accepts an arbitrary array of arguments. And at the end here, I would need to use the ellipsis notation, which is basically unpacks the remaining values in the slice. So append basically returns a slice, and it accepts an arbitrary array of arguments. So I have nums here and I have nums here again, but I need to add this dot notation to unpack the elements inside the array and inside the slice. So the difference between a slice and an array is that slices are a little bit more flexible. They are more powerful. And with an array, you have a fixed size. So I am now going to run this function. And I'll submit here. So that is it for this tutorial. The runtime is 3 milliseconds. It's faster than 99.77% of Go Online submissions. Thank you so much. I hope you guys appreciate this video, and take care.